Well, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ClouDolus YouTube channel, everyone. So today we come for latest update from AWS multi-session support enable in your AWS account in SM browser. So now we can logging into up to 5 AWS identities in SM browser. Choose turn on multi-session support in the account menu and get it started. So this is the latest update. Before time not enable run a multi-session multi-account in SM browser, but now you can use same browser. So for that you just click your user menu navigation and then you find the turn on multi-session support. So just click on that and then you will be prompt up your turn on multi-session support. So just now a turn on multi-session support. So after click on that you just logging your user. So now you see the user menu navigation turn off multi-session support. So anytime you can turn off. So this is a new tab for an add session. So now we want to add session, just click on that add session and then you will be find new tab in your logging system, another account. So I'm going to logging I am user. So for this just click on information and put your credential. So just you logging your new I am user. So in the same browser you just logging your root user, also I am user. So in this same browser root account and then another tab I am user. After logging and start a new user session, so for that you see the differences user menu. So just click on that, then you will be find on other active session also your credential information, which is my I am user. Now we want to see the further feature. If you want to log in your AWS console, then you will see the differences. You try to log in your credential, then you will see the differences. So choose your AWS session. So after enable multi-session, then you will see the interface and choose your AWS session. You have to active session in the AWS console, choose one you want to use. Another option, you sign into the new session, also see the your active session. So this is after multi-session support enable in your same browser for AWS console logging system. So this is an overview. If you have any questions about a whole discussion, please do comment your comment section and don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe ClouDolus and ClouDolus Pro. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.